Hey there, if you have a car that doesn't have Bluetooth enabled in the vehicle because of how it's set up, this is probably what you want in 2026 or later. This little thing you just plug into the car, the cigarette lighter adapter inside of your car, and then you've got a few different things you can do with it. It'll draw power to charge your phone with this USB-A or USB-C port, so you can plug your phone cord right into it. And then on the other side, there's an audio jack to be able to connect music that way. What it does is it transmits to the radio. So you set the station on your radio to be the same as what this is going to transmit, and you can change the channel via this button. And then once you do that, this will actually transmit the audio to your radio, and then this functions as your Bluetooth receiver. So if you have Bluetooth in your phone but not in your car, this is a great way to connect it. You can play and pause your music. You can adjust the track and the volume with this little slider, and it can function a lot like what a car would if it actually had the Bluetooth functionality originally in it. So this is a very handy little tool. Again, if you're looking for a way to upgrade your car and have that Bluetooth functionality, this is a great way to do that if you have an older car that doesn't have it native.